Hello students, today we will see one more problem from non-trading concerns, and this problem when receipts and payments account is given and the balance sheet is given. So we will see how to solve this problem when the receipts and payments and the balance sheet is given. So first we will see the expenses. Expenses in the problem it is given for 2005 the expenses are 4,200 I'm sorry expenses for 2005 it is given 4,000, but they said that again here the outstanding expenses are 2,800. So we have seen here on the expenses side two expenses 4,000, that is which is given on your expenses 2005 expenses 4,000 minus outstanding expenses. We will take the difference, this 2,800 which is given in the liabilities, outstanding expenses 2,800 minus this 2,400 is the expenses for 2004. So 2,800 minus 2,400, it will be 400. So 4,000 minus 400, the total expenses are 3,600. Next it is given interest 800. So next it is given miscellaneous expenses 4,000, and the next closing balance is given, it is treated as asset. And now so we will see the incomes. Income which is given on the receipts, subscriptions which are given. 2004 subscriptions are given 400, 2005 subscriptions are given 4,200, and 2006 subscriptions are given 300. And here in the asset side also we have outstanding subscription 760, and the outstanding subscriptions received in advance it is given 1,200. And now we'll see by subscriptions 4,200. This is the current year subscriptions. 2005 subscriptions here given 4,200 minus outstanding subscriptions for 2004, and here we have deducted 760 rupees. So this is given in the asset side, outstanding subscriptions 760, we have deducted this. So we got 3,440 rupees plus subscriptions received in advance 1,200, which is given here, subscriptions received in advance 1,200, and the total subscriptions we got 4,640 rupees. So the subscriptions for current year, subscriptions for previous year, and subscriptions for the current year which have been received in advance. So that is 1,200. Why we have added this? Because this balance sheet is 2004 closing balance sheet. That is the reason we have added these subscriptions which are received in advance. And the next it is given entrance fees as usually we have taken, and the locker rent which is given 1,500, but outstanding locker rent is given in the asset side, that is outstanding locker rent 480. So we have deducted that 480, we got 1,020, and miscellaneous income which is given as it is we have taken on the income side 8,000. So once we have posted all the transaction, we have to balance this account. We got the surplus of 6,860, and next we will prepare the balance sheet. We have, as you know, all the assets and liabilities should be considered, and we have land which is given, and next cash which is given, and next buildings which are given. I repeat once again, land it is given on the expenses, land 8,000. Next balance of cash, here cash is given 16,800, building it is given 60,000, and next capital fund it is given 67,240 plus surplus we have been added. This surplus we got from income and expenditure account 640 is added, and next loan it is given in the liabilities. So we have considered here outstanding expenses are also given in the liabilities, we have considered that. And next our subscriptions for 2006, that is advance subscriptions 300. This amount is given on the income side, receipt side 2006 subscriptions. And next outstanding subscriptions, here we have taken the difference 2,800 minus 2,400. Now that's difference we have to take it here. That's the liability side. Once you post all the transactions, you have to balance your balance sheet. We got the balance sheet as tallied. Thank you students. If you have any doubts, you can post the queries in the group.